How to solve 4 power x is equal to 12. Find the value of x. So we have 4 power x is equal to 12 can be written as 3 times 4. Now we apply log in both sides. So you can write here log of 4 power x is equal to log of 3 times 4. Now this power x will move to the base, so I can write here x log 4 is equal to log of 3 times 4, that means it will be log 3 plus log 4. According to this formula, this rule, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Now and also here we applied this rule, log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power r will move to the base. So this power x will move to the base. Now we need the value of x, so divided by log 4 in both sides. So divided by log 4 divided by log 4. Now this log 4 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this divided by this, that means it will be same, that log 3 over log 4 then plus log 4 over log 4. Now x will be equal to log 3 over log 4, that means it will be log 3 base of 4, then plus log 4 over log 4, that means 1. So log 3 base of 4 plus 1, log 3 base 4 plus 1. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer. How to solve 4 power y is equal to 8. Find the value of y. So 4 power y is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of y is equal to 8 is same as 2 power 3. Now we can write here 2 power of 2 times y, that means it will be 2y, then is equal to 2 power of 3. Now we see 2 same base, so 2 will be cancelled, power will be equal to power, so it will be 2y is equal to 3. Now we need the value of y, so divided by 2 in both sides, so divided by 2 divided by 2. Now we see this 2 will be cancelled. Now y will be equal to 3 by 2. So this is the value of y, so this is our final answer.